Hello and welcome to this ACT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can do graphic design in MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a very powerful application from Microsoft, and there are a lot of things we can take advantage of, only that we know less about them. Today I will show you how we can do that. And we are going to use a number of things here. We are going to use text and apply some effects to this text to make them look attractive. At the same time, we will also do something on pictures and also use some shapes to make our presentation look attractive. Remember, uh, we can do a lot of graphic designing in MS PowerPoint and even export some of the beautiful things we have drawn or designed on the slide to other applications like MS Word or MS Publisher when you are designing something in those applications. I will go ahead and do it practically for you by double clicking it. Then I will adjust the zooming down here and reduce the width of this slides pane so that I have a good view. I will remove these two text boxes by just clicking their border and deleting from the keyboard. So the first thing I will do here is to choose a nice background color for this. And let me go for, I will click this white background and right click and choose format background. And in this pen for the formatting, I will go with solid fill and choose here an attractive color. Okay, let me use that one. I will go ahead and insert a shape and pick this rectangular shape, and at the corner of this slide draw a nice shape here. Then there is a border around this shape. I will remove it. I will just come to shape outline, then choose no, and I will choose for the fill a color which is somewhere closer to that one. Let me just choose this one. Let me choose this one for the shape. Then for the background, I change it here to a little bit of that. So I have two different colors here. I will come to my insert and choose a curve. Where is the curve here? This is the curve. Then I want to draw a pattern of a wave. So I will press down the mouse button, draw. When I want to take a corner, I will release the mouse button, then press it down again and take that corner. Release the mouse, press, take a corner, release, press another corner, release, press another corner, release, press, just like a wave. And finally up to down here. Then I will release, press again and complete it back to where it started. When you touch the starting point, you can see there is a color fill there. Then you just release the mouse button. So I have irregular shape. I can resize it like that to fit the slide. So the next thing to do is to remove outline from this shape I will just remove the outline and choose no fill, and I will remove the outline and choose no outline. Then I will now apply the color of this background. Let me change this to something else, like that. So I will paint this blue shape right now with the color of this background. So I must know which color it is. So I will click the shape, come here and play around and see. Not that one. I think it is this one. Yes. Now you can see I have created an impression of a pattern here. So the next thing, I can still adjust this shape the way I want. The next thing to do is to have some good text here. I will just click insert text box and draw some text. Let me assume I'm making a presentation about rocks. So I'll just type here types of rocks, types of rocks. Then I will just select the text, increase size here and make it bold. Then I will choose a thicker font here, thicker font. There's one called copper black. Let me try to reduce the size. Okay. Then I want to position that text there. Like that. And I want to do something to it. The first thing to do on this text is to change its color to yellow. I will go ahead here, format, and look for text fill, this one, and I will choose here yellow. Then I want a border around this text. The border is called outline, which is red. So I will come to text outline and choose red color here. Then I will increase the thickness of that outline. You just come to weight and choose here something good like that. So you can see I have attractive title. Then I will insert picture of rocks here, pictures, on the desktop I have a folder with pictures, and position it here like that. I will do some effects on this picture. I will go to insert shapes and look for this shape of a parallelogram, and draw a shape here. Grab this handle and twist the shape. Twist it a bit, increase its height. Then I will squeeze it like this. Reduce this here. even this reduce a bit, move with the arrow keys like that. So what I want is I want to color this the same background color like this one, and I will first remove the outline from it. No, then I will pick a color here. I think it should be that. Yes, like that. So it is creating an impression that there is a slit on this picture. So I will click that shape, copy paste it, Control V, and move with the arrow keys. Just move with the arrow keys, then Control V, and move with the arrow keys again. Move up, 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 left, like that. So you can see my picture has some effects. The title is well designed, and also there is a pattern on the left side of the slide. The next thing to do is to show you something else. I will insert a blank slide here, and I want to bring in a picture here. Insert picture of a flower. I think this one is better. Yes. So I want to type some text here and fill them with the background of this flower. So I will go to insert text box here, and type here the word flowers. Select the text and increase the size of the text until we are satisfied it is okay, and make them bold, and also look for a thicker font, a thicker nice font. Let me just choose this Eras one, and then position my text box where I want the background of the flower to be. You position it according to the part of the background you want to take the snapshots. After that, first click the background. After clicking the background, press Ctrl down, click the text. Then you will be able to see this format handle here. Click it, and you will see merge shapes. Then there is an effect called intersect. It is there, you can see. It has taken part of the background, which is a picture, to fill the text. To adjust that background, you can as well click the the text and come to crop and choose crop. Then you'll be able to move this text, this background, to play around with the position of the flower until you get what you want or is good for you. After that, you just click crop. Now your text is done. I can give it a black background. Right click, format background, and choose your black. I think that one is okay. I think that one is better. So I can come here and insert picture of flower. Anything good, then I can come here and also write my good text here. I want it to be white in color. I look for a nice font here, a sweet one. If you can't see properly, just look for let me look for one. If you know the name of the font, you just go straight to it. If you don't know, you just play around the way I'm doing here. And remember, your font must be readable. If you choose a font which is difficult to read, then you need to get an idea and make it bold. I like flowers very much because they portray a sign of happiness. So this is one of the tricks I have used, and these effects can be applied anywhere, and it can be also copied to another app to be used there. So I have two slides, the first one and the second one. I will come here and insert another blank slide, and here I want to show you how I can put a picture inside a shape. So I'll just come to picture of flowers here and insert this. I want to take a section of this flower using a shape. I will come to insert shapes, and I want to take a heart. I think heart is okay. The shape of a heart, I think it is here. Then draw my heart here on top of this flower. Adjust this handle. I want to, like this. I want to take here. I want to remove outline like that. So I will now click the picture, press down Control, press the shape, and come to this Format tab and use Intersect like that. After intersecting, you just come to Format, Crop, and just click Crop. Now you will be able to move this background to position it where you like. I think that shot is good. Then after that, click Crop. So you can see now we have filled this shape with my background picture. I can now choose here and a nice background color. Let me right click, format, then give it something good. I think I don't know whether that is good. I think that is fine. Then I can come to insert shapes again and look for a beautiful shape here. And always try to remove the outline and fill it with maybe yellowish. And put my text here. And write anything like your actions speak less than what your heart can tell if given a chance. Then I will now decorate my text, increase its size, and try to choose a nice font which is readable. Of course, let me go with this and make it bold. Okay, so here it goes, the text on top of the shape and the flower inside the shape. That is good for me. Your actions speak less than what your heart can tell if given a chance. That one is done. I will move to the next slide now, a blank one, and I'll do some funny things here. I want to write some text here and name it here. Heavy broken heart, and increase the size here and make it bold. Look for a fat thing. There's a fat font called elephant here. Things. Let me look for elephant. Elephant font here. That one is not good. Let me look for another one. Okay, let me choose this broken heart. So what I want is to separate. I want to separate these letters so that they are independent from each other. So to do that, I will use a shape. Just insert shape. Let me just use a square shape. Then I remove outline. I want to fill this with a gradient, not a gradient pattern, I think so. Okay, let me fill this shape with a picture. So I will just come to shape fill, picture, and there's a picture here of rocks. Yeah, these are broken heart rocks. So I will just click my text and come to here and say send, bring forward, then bring it on top of the rocks like that. Then what I will do is to press down to click the background, press down Control and click the text, my text, and choose fragments. Yes, fragments. Then I will just click my shape. I will click my shape and remove it. Let me remove this fragmented one. Let me just click away first. Click the picture and remove it. I will remove my picture from there. Then I delete it. So finally, I have fragmented text here. They are independent from each other. Broken. For the O, there is a segment inside it. That one selected, delete it to create that empty room. For the R, there is also a fragment. That one just delete. Even for the B, I think these fragment, smaller ones, just delete them. And I can now position and delete the other pieces we don't need. Even for A, I think this one, delete that. Even for H, the other fragments, let them be deleted. So I can play around with their position. Broken heart, broken, then heart. So I will now give them, I think, a black background here. Yeah. So this is how I have fragmented the text into individual texts. And this is all that I have for today. My slides are there. Please try this at home and see how you can make beautiful graphic design work in MS PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.